Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. Today we have a 2021 Primetime Tracer 29 QBD. So let's find out why Primetime is North America's favorite RV company. We can start up here. Power tongue jack, battery disconnect, black tank flush, power stabilizers. This is a bunkhouse model with one slide. But the bunkhouse has their own little door. Nice for loading up bigger items, or the kids want a little extra playroom. Observation camera. Camp kitchen with grill and mini fridge. Hot and cold water. Extra large grab handle. Solid entry steps. This is an extended season camper also. Hide-a-bed couch, dinette, soundbar, nice TV, sink. This is cool. The sink, get a little extra room here. 3-burner cooktop range oven, Domestic refrigerator. Our shower. Lots of storage here. And lots of room in the shower. Even a little seat. This is our bunkhouse. Lots of room here. The bunks are elevated up out of the way. Charging ports. Room for a TV. Come up to the front of the room. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.